Welcome to The Know. I'm Meg Turney, and fresh off the news that their sales are finally picking up, Nintendo has announced their plans to watch you sleep. A newly created healthcare division of Nintendo will partner with US company ResMed Inc., which specializes in products to help those with sleeping disorders, to create a quality of life device that measures users' general fatigue and monitors their sleep. Nintendo President Satoru Iwata said of the idea, "By using our know-how in gaming to analyze sleep and fatigue, we can create something fun." The device, as it's being pitched so far, would sit next to a user's bed, negating the need to be attached to them while they sleep like most sleep monitoring devices, and will use microwave sensors to track sleep patterns. Iwata showed confidence in the new sleep tracking idea, but held off on giving any hard projections on its success, saying, "We only start something new if we think we will be able to create a big market. But as I'm not able to discuss pricing plans and other details today, I don't think there's much point in giving a figure for our projected scale." The device could reportedly hit shelves sometime in early 2016 and may possibly require a subscription service to work, but details on both those points are kinda scarce for now. It's obviously not Nintendo's first health-focused product, but what do you guys think about a Nintendo sleep tracker? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget, you get the very best in video games and entertainment right here, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can know what we know and be in the know on this show. Heart you!